Hello and welcome. In this video, we're going to guide you step by step on how to view contacts that are saved in your Google account on Android phone. Sometimes, we save our contacts but later forget where they go. The good news is, if you're using an Android device or syncing your phone with your Google account, your contacts are usually saved automatically to the cloud. That means you can access them anytime, anywhere, as long as you're signed in to the correct Google account. Let's begin. Start by launching the Google app on your Android. This is the app with the familiar G logo, and it comes pre-installed on most devices. Make sure you're signed in to the correct Google account that you want to check contacts for. Once the app opens, look at the top right corner and tap your profile photo or initial. This will show the account currently signed in and allow you to switch accounts if needed. Tap on Manage your Google account. Then, swipe the menu to the right and select Payopal and Sharing. And now, you will see menu that says Contacts. Tap on that. Once you're in the Google Contacts page, you can scroll to view all your saved contacts. Tap a contact to see phone numbers, emails, and more. Use the search bar at the top to quickly find someone. You can also edit, delete, or even export your contacts from this page, and that's it. Now you know how to view all the contacts saved to your Google account directly from the Google app. It's a simple but powerful way to keep your contact list safe, synced, and easily accessible across devices. If this tutorial helped you, don't forget to like, share, or subscribe for more helpful tech tips. Thanks for watching or listening, and see you in the next one.